Hey guys, Miss Wavy. I hate doing second takes of a video, and I tell myself I'm never going to do that. But the first one got really long and rambling, so I'm going to try it again. Welcome to web programming. This class is being taught in a partnership with Prince William Sound College in Valdez. So you have me as your high school instructor, and you have Dr. Steve Johnson as your collegiate instructor. All assignments and everything for this semester will be turned in directly to me through Canvas, and everything will be housed on Canvas. Know that I am sort of like building this class as we go. So it's not going to be perfect. There's certainly going to be some bumps, but getting it figured out. What I need from everybody for sure is this course materials survey. That tells me where to send your flash drive with all of the content for the course on it. This is step number one. These are currently en route from Valdez to Sohi, and then they'll come to me, and then I will redisperse them. So I've come up with some alternatives on how to get you the content. If possible, you can download all of the content right here. This is a zip file. So if you download it and then unzip it and just save it to the local hard drive on your computer, know that that won't work on a Chromebook, right? Because a Chromebook does not have that much memory. It was way too much data to upload to Google Drive. So I'm literally going to be mailing these out as soon as I get them. But for now, if you have the ability or can figure it out, the best way to get the content for the course is to click right here on this Tech 120. So at the collegiate level, this class is referred to as Tech A120 Commercial Web Page Design. And that correlates with the high school class of Web Programming 1. Until everybody gets the content in their hands, I have uploaded some of the stuff to Canvas. So this is what Canvas will look like. I have module 1A with all of the PowerPoints from week 1, a link to a page that has all of the videos from week 1 embedded on it. And then if we go to the next page, this is videos that deal with web technologies. And then after you watch all those videos, there's a discussion. This is worth 3 points total. So you need to list 3 things that you've learned from this week's content, which is all those videos that you've watched, 2 questions that you still have, and 1 aspect of what you've enjoyed, because there's a lot of information there. After that, there is a quiz on web technologies. Remember in my class that I appreciate a growth mindset, and so if you don't like the grade that you get on the quiz, you're welcome to go back and redo the quiz. So that's always an option. The idea is that module 1A will be due this week, and module 1B will be next week. So that's a Canvas course. Stay tuned for the next video, and I will show you how to navigate the flash drive when you get it.